One of the best things that you could do if you're going into prison is start building a pathway that's going to advance you as a candidate for the earliest possible release date. That's the reason we've built the profile section on prisonerprofessors.org, and you should look at that by just visiting our website, clicking on the button on the top right in the blue or purplish color that says profiles. And when you click that button, you will see this section right here where it allows you to either build your profile or become a profile partner. Now, I created this little slide here that just shows you why you want to be building your profile and how easy it is. The previous video, lesson number 3, gives you a demo on how to build a profile. But you're also going to be wanting, I hope that you're going to be thinking about developing a team of advocates for you on the outside, whether it's your wife or a friend or your husband or a loved one, a family member, anybody, and get numerous people to become your profile partners. That's going to be the best way for you to develop your profile while you are serving the sentence. That way you could just send any information to your partners, your loved ones, and they can log in and build the profile very easily. How do they become a profile partner? Well, let's just go through a very simple demo. Right? So if you click on this thing, become a profile partner, just click that. It offers you some very simple information that your family or loved ones can see. And then they just see you got to find the profile, your profile, submit a request, because we want to make sure that you're authorizing them to publish on your behalf, and then our team will approve anybody that you authorize us to approve. So let's just say we go to here, select a person. You could select a person by either the first or last name or BOP registration number. My registration number is 163770004. Right? You're going to have to already be in the system for them to get that access. So they would have to know your registration number, and you've already built a profile. If not, they would build a profile for you, in which case they could you're going to get them started. Search profiles right there, and there I am. That's my prison registration number. If I select that number right there, all I have to do is provide my name and an email address. Okay, I'm just going to do .com. See, it's probably going to be, I got to find some kind of email address that I would plug in there, and then I would just select this button right here that I will select what my relationship is with that person. I am a spouse, a parent, a child, a sibling, a friend, a mentor. Maybe it's an attorney or a case manager or other. It doesn't matter. Once you do it, they submit this request and it will come to our team. Our team will then check in with you just to make sure you're authorizing this person to act on your behalf, and then they can start building your profile. It's really that simple. But it's super important to remember to do this, because once you get into prison, you don't have access to the internet. And so you may have access, if you're in the BOP, Bureau of Prisons, you may have access to this quasi-email system, and you'd be able to send them information which they could use to build your profile. I'm working to try and streamline that, but for now, in early August 2025, this is the system we have in place. Make sure that your loved ones register on Prison Professors so that they're receiving our newsletters. They could do that just by clicking, anywhere, any place they plug their information in here. They will become a member of our newsletter, and that way we could update them on the advocacy work that we are doing to try and help as many people as we can build a pathway to advance them as a candidate for earlier release. And I can use it as an advocate when I'm trying to influence legislators and policymakers on why we need to change laws to usher in more home confinement, more access to work release programs, more access to furloughs through an individual's merit. But you have to do your part, and I hope that you will start by building your profile partners and building your profile and developing it. And I'll be giving some more tutorials on how to do that with best practices in the future videos. But I want to keep these all kind of short, so I'm going to stop this video right now and build the next one. Remember, my name is Michael Santos. I'm the founder of Prison Professors, and I believe in you. So be cool.